Welcome to Dunedin, Florida.
In this video, I'll be walking around downtown Dunedin, Florida. If you're looking to move to Florida, make sure to contact me. I am a realtor in Sarasota County, but I can refer you a realtor anywhere in the U.S.
Quiet, quaint,
Yeah.
downtown. We drove through the city somewhat. It seems semi-busy, but not crazy busy.
It's still kind of early yet, though, in the morning.
Yeah, it's, what is it, Tuesday?
11-ish?
Tuesday or Wednesday? It's a Wednesday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday, 11:45 a.m. Big Frog Franchise Festival. It seems like the city as a whole has all your main big box, pretty big box stores anyway.
Yeah.
All that stuff.
Cookie crumbs. That looks good.
You have to come back for a snack.
Mm-hmm.
Downtown Inglewood meets Central Avenue? St. Petersburg
Yeah.
vibe.
This way, I guess. Yeah, it's a small downtown, but it's nice.
It's nice, yeah. It seems like they got enough different stuff here for like food.
Wine and live music. And puppies.
And puppies. Your pictures on the wall there somewhere, Jazz.
Look at that car.
Looks like over there, this little side strip's got more stuff too.
Oh, yeah. Look. Postal Cruiser.
This goes a little ways yet. Definitely has a different feel overall. It's very come on, Jess. Feels very secluded almost with all the trees and stuff. Oh, it seems like it goes quite a ways.
Yeah. It's bigger than what it looks like.
Yeah, it seemed like we were almost at the end, and now it's like continuing to go. Looks like they're, oh wow, look on the right here, Sadie. They're building like a park here. You can see like pathways and stuff, and almost like a little
Overhang.
like a performance type stage. I wonder how far this goes.
there's more going that way.
Yeah, it seems like all this whole way, every now and then, there's like a street kind of going to the right that has more here and there. Are you guys just messing with me? No, I would.
Smells good.
Smell onions.
Yeah, like pizza, like food.
Pizza, yeah. This way, Jess. Homemade ice cream on the left, or the right there, the last one. This looks like a little theater or something. It's a karaoke bar, I think. Or no, they have karaoke night. I think it's just a bar that has a lot of entertainment. That's cool. Could be right.
Actually tells you when
Tell you which roads can go.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Let us know in the comments if you think our tour guide's doing a good job. Because she's often lagging behind and not paying attention. Yeah, a lot of stuff. Yep, I can see water. I think it's like a bay though, because I can see more vegetation past the water. If there's one thing downtown, any city in Florida is good for, it's ice cream shops. I think that's like the third or fourth one I've seen here. Yeah, and this seems like a bay, maybe also a beach. Water Park and Municipal Marina. It's nice. A restaurant and bar. Hi. Old Bay Cafe. Maybe we will have to go in there for some coffee. Oh, they got a hotel like right here, a little Best Western. That's cool. Like right, literally in the parking lot. And we lost all that nice overhang, so it's not quite so cool anymore. Oh, where do you see that? Up here. Oh, on that blue sign. That's cool, so you can get to Clearwater on their taxi, their water taxi.
Ferry is typically cheap or free.
Yeah. Boat owners only.
At the fish over here, the Waterfront. It's a fish.
Oh, wow. That's cool. Let me see if I can zoom out on that. It's one big fish. Fish bones. Yeah, kind of stinky. Red tide's kind of in the area. Not terrible here though. Yeah, and you can tell the difference in the water. Normally the water along the Gulf Coast and the bays is gonna be pretty clear turquoise colored. And it's kind of looking like a dark green. So yeah, not all that all that appealing compared to what it normally is anyway.
Just trying to jump in the water.
Is she really?
Stopping and looking.
You want to go get some of that water? Yeah. Yeah, you want to go swimming, don't you? Oh yeah, that's probably all those big buildings there. That's probably Clearwater. That's our guess anyway. That's probably Clearwater. We're guessing. Gifts. Juice company. This one here needs to get a smell every 10 seconds, and that smell needs to last for 20 minutes. More ice cream. There's some good shade. Yeah, it's pretty sweet.
Exactly.
That's a sweet car. No, don't eat that. Restaurant week. Oh, that's like 3 weeks ago. We missed restaurant week. Okay, I think this way there's some stuff. Quiet side street too. Gelato Cafe. Natural bath essentials. Hot.
I'm sweaty. Don't film me.
Putting that in the video. Secluded and open. You think you're going there, huh, Jess? Hey. Jasmine decides sometimes that she likes certain areas and she starts walking there because she thinks we're all gonna go there. So she started walking in by that Wildflower Cafe.
There was food in there too. Are you tired, puppy? Are you hot?
Oh, I think we just merged.
Yeah.
That was a triangle.
Yeah. Yeah, it seemed like a really small downtown area. Like, this is actually, there's a lot.
Scale of 1 to 10, what do you give Dunedin's?
Downtown.
Downtown.
Probably an 8, just because there's a lot to do and there's a lot of little shops, but there's not like actual stores that I would go to. It's like a quaint little town.
Yeah, I think I agree. Some good
But
little,
it's really nice.
yeah, seems like some fun restaurants.
Mm-hmm.
Good shade.
Yeah, it's pretty shaded.
Pretty decent variety of options too.
Yep.
Not the only thing I would say is, and this is something that is kind of one of our gripes with Venice too, is I feel like there's not a lot of variety outside of like American, Italian food. You know, maybe an Irish place.
Yeah.
But still enough. I think that most folks could find something to eat or do.
And the hospital is back there too. So in the downtown.
So this is a bike trail here. See, it goes quite a ways. I'm not really sure what that all takes you to. If you happen to live in the area or have been in Dunedin, if I am pronouncing that correctly, let us know about this trail in the comments.
If you're looking to move down to Florida, make sure to contact me. I am a realtor in the Sarasota County area, but I can refer you a local realtor in Dunedin or any other area. My information will be in the description box below. Thanks for watching and live breezy.